Unfortunately, true, my friend. GG's.
Yeah, good game. Good game.
Oh, hell no. I was set up.
Yo, come here,
No!
Wacky.
No! I just got done fighting. So, no. No,
Wacky.
man, no. Don't make me kill you. Because you know I will.
Even though I'd just eaten a notch apple, poison and his sharpness 5 sword shredded my health, so I had to eat another one, hoping it would be enough to take him down.
I don't die. Naughty. No, I do not approve of this. I did not grind my buttocks off, my friend. Not for this! Not for this!
Dude.
Not like this!
Oh my god. Find me.
I don't have a low fire texture pack on, I can't see! You cheated, you're doing so much more damage. No, wait!
Yes! Oh my god. Finally, I had taken down Lackey, who at the time had been the most stacked player in the entire